Good news! We're giving out $2,000 in cash prizes and PayPal money to 20 new subscribers. That's $200 each as a celebration gift from our new channel. Now, here are the 4 steps to enter. First, subscribe to our channel. Second, like this video. Third, hit the notification bell. And lastly, leave a nice comment below. And now, back to the video. Since you're viewing this video, you're probably seeking methods to make money online. And boy oh boy, you've come to the perfect place. In this video, I'll show you how to rapidly and easily produce large sums of money utilizing your trusty browser, Google Chrome. That's correct. You may make over $1,000 simply by browsing Google and going through various websites that are already entertaining and fascinating. When I first heard about this method, my initial thought was, wow, this is really innovative. I mean, with a pay rate that high, who wouldn't be intrigued? This is a top-notch approach with plenty of amazing features and bonuses that are all aligned for your benefit. You can use this method with any device you want, and it's available on all 7 continents of the world. There's no need for any technical skills or prior experience because you can completely master this method even if you're a complete beginner. Of course, I want to help you guys make a lot of money. This method is completely free and you won't have to pay a single penny. So as you can see, this approach is simply life-changing. And you will learn everything you need to know about in this video as long as you remain with me and do not skip ahead so that you fully understand the entire procedure. Now let's get back to the video, shall we? Let's go to the first website for this video, Perfection.com, which specializes in UX research and helps companies understand the expectations and behaviors of their users. They help their clients from all over the world convert these user needs into business drivers, all with the goal of improving their businesses in any way possible. As you scroll down the page, you'll notice some of the brands and companies that partner with Perfection as they provide their services such as Coca-Cola, Samsung, Airbus, Louis Vuitton, and so on. From the looks of it, these are all very large companies that operate on a global scale, and this website is primarily designed for businesses. If you have no business, then why are you here? Well, here's a quick answer for you. Just sit back and relax as I walk you through how to navigate this website so that you can make the most money possible. Now, returning to the same homepage, I want you to shift your attention to the upper right corner of the page where you can see this one here that says Become a Tester. I want you to click on that and it will take you to a page where you can earn money by offering your opinion on mobile sites and applications. When you go to the page, you'll notice these icons right here, along with brief descriptions, and these are the steps to follow to complete this method. First, be heard because companies care about what you have to say. Second, improve your writing skills and sense of observation. And third, just make money since your involvement is compensated with PayPal or Amazon gift cards. So that's about it. But if you think this video is done, trust me, it's not. You have to watch every second of it so that you don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. It's practically within reach, so don't let it slip by ending this video. Instead, remain here and finish it. Now remember, those massive brands I mentioned a moment ago? Those brands collaborate to perfection in order to gain the general opinion of the people on innovative niches that they are about to introduce before they release a product or service. They need to know how well it is received by consumers all over the world. With that said, you're going to be one of the testers to get an early preview of the new product or service. And all you have to do is give your honest opinion about it so that they will know what the product's strengths are, as well as where they need to improve. After they've gained your feedback, they'll have enough information to enhance the product or service and prepare it for the big launch. That's basically the outline, but before we get started, let's learn more about the foundations and nature of this opportunity. Starting with steps to work from home, there's no need to leave the comfort of your own house since you can earn money by simply working remotely using the steps below. Step 1. Use your smartphone or tablet to browse sites and applications. Step 2. Give good and negative comments from your sofa. And in step 3, after your feedback is received by the website's moderator, you're done. In case you missed it, this approach is entirely available on mobile devices such as tablets or phones, which is simply amazing. What's even more, it's accessible on both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store, which means that regardless of which device you use, you'll make the same amount of money whether you use an Android or an iOS smartphone. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved this video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Now let's return to the video. I'm going to show you how to execute this method and do everything in a step-by-step explanation. But first, let's clear things out. As you scroll down the page, you'll see what feedback is all about. So feedback is basically a screenshot or sometimes a video screencast with a clear description where you can report positive and negative elements about the product or service you're testing. One example of feedback is this one right here that says, "I would like the connection button to be more prominent. I couldn't find it. It's important that you understand what feedback is because that's what you'll be doing." As you begin to make money with perfection, the first thing I want you to do is sign up for a free account by clicking this button right here that says Start Earning Money by Testing Products. It will then take you to a page where you can fill in all of the basic information about yourself just like any other website. It's all self-explanatory, so you can do it in a blink. Once you've successfully signed up and entered into your account, you'll have access to a wide range of missions that you can freely choose. Some missions may be available only on your computer, while others are only available on your mobile devices. Don't worry about this limiting your profits because it actually widens the website's limits and borders, which can only mean one thing: more and more money for this video. I'll be selecting a task that is open to computers just like mine. After selecting a mission, just click the Read the Brief button to be led to another website where you may learn more about the mission. You may also locate the particular steps that you need to do in order to complete the mission. All of the missions will not require you to do anything difficult because the instructions are so basic that I'm sure you could do them with your eyes closed. After you've read the brief and acquainted yourself with the required steps, the next thing you'll do is click on this green button that states Start Permission. After that, you'll be able to find these quick reminders of their expectations. Now pay close attention. You must read, understand, and remember all of these reminders because they are critical to the success of the process. You must follow all of these guidelines so that your feedback can be considered valid. And if you fail to follow any of the guidelines they've explicitly presented, I'm sorry, but you're most likely going to fail. But because you're here watching this video right now, you can rest assured that you'll succeed every step of the way if you're going to follow everything I say. Okay, now you have the guidelines. And if you do, you're ready to start working on the task. The next thing you'll notice is a particular instruction that you must follow religiously, as well as strictly if you want to make money. Read the instructions slowly but surely. Take your time comprehending the directions because you can complete this all in your spare time with no pressure. Once you've read and understood the instructions, you may start your task and then go to the website they provided. Simply browse the external website and find everything you need to know. While you're doing so, don't forget to take a screenshot or record your screen because you'll be using these as evidence for your mission. With a screen recording or screenshot, they'll know you followed the instructions and completed your mission successfully. After you've uploaded your screenshot, you'll be asked to give your honest opinions, similar to what I mentioned earlier. First, you'll need to decide whether the screenshot is a compliment or a problem. Next, you'll need to give your feedback a title, which is essentially a representation of what the screenshot is about. Finally, you'll need to describe your experience. As you browse the external website, you may explain how the interface worked for you, whether it was easy to use website or a difficult one. You can also describe how the aesthetics appeared for you, such as if the letters were too big or the backgrounds were too crowded. After that, click this button right here to designate it as important feedback and then click this button right here to proceed to the next step. The next process is where you will receive a new instruction and you will just repeat what you did in the previous one. Simply snap a screenshot, determine whether it's a compliment or a problem, give your input a title, and then share your overall experience. Repeat this procedure until all of the steps are finished and then click on the Complete Mission button to mark completion. Because you're free to pursue many tasks in a row, you'll be able to grow your earnings significantly, allowing you to achieve financial independence and live in a rich man's world. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video!